Siegfried Engelmann on the role of rote learning.
Certain things are rote. They are not rote because you teach them as rote. They are rote because they are rote. For instance, let's learn the numbers. Let's count to 6. 1, 2, 6. No, Virginia, that's not right. You have to learn rote what the numbers are. They have names, they have order, there are all kinds of properties, and all these properties are by rote. And you have to learn a lot of other things in math by rote. Math is really a good example because you have to learn certain things about fractions. If you use a poor program, all you're doing is providing poor rote information. What do kids have to know about fractions so they will avoid the kind of mistakes that kids typically make? Do you learn that fractions are something that is just a code for a certain arrangement of numbers, like a number, a bar, and a number equals a fraction? Or do you learn misrules about fractions by having somebody teach you they are less than 1, and you go into adulthood thinking that fractions are less than 1? That's shameful. And if you look at the website, the Siegfried website, it has kids doing all kinds of fraction operations. These are preschool kids who haven't entered first grade. They're from a highly disadvantaged neighborhood in Illinois, in Champaign-Urbana, Illinois. And they show really good command of fractions that equal whole numbers, fractions that are more than 1, fractions that are less than 1, adding fractions, multiplying fractions, and doing fraction operations where you convert fractions into whole numbers, and they're not yet 6 years old. If something is rote, you teach it, but you teach it in a way that has fidelity so that the kids learn the essential features that they need to know. You don't just pile it on and just teach any old thing, but you're very careful about how you sequence it, and you know that it's teachable if you have been successful in teaching it to kids.